In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Outlook. This feature can be very useful for indicating changes or edits in your emails. It visually communicates that certain text is no longer relevant or has been modified. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Outlook. You can use any search engine you like, such as Google or Bing. Simply type Outlook into the search bar and hit enter. This step is important because you need to access the Outlook website to proceed. Once your search results appear, you will see several links related to Outlook. Just take a moment to find the official Microsoft Outlook link to ensure you're on the right site. This ensures you have a secure and authentic experience. Once you have the browser open and Outlook in your sites, the next step is to click the correct link. This is typically the one that includes Outlook in the URL. Clicking the right link is crucial as it takes you directly to the login page for your Outlook account. If you accidentally click on an unrelated link, you may end up on a different site or face potential security risks. Always double-check to make sure you are on the official Microsoft site before proceeding. Now that you're on the Outlook page, click the Sign In button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your email and password. This step is essential because it allows you access to your personal mailbox where you can compose or edit emails. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully and securely. Once you've logged in, you will see your inbox and various options for email management. At this point, you can click on New Mail or choose to reply to an existing message. To do this, look for the option on the left side of the screen. If you are composing a new email, the interface will open a blank message window. If replying, the original message will appear with a text box below it. Highlight the text you want to strike through. This is important because only the selected text will be affected by the strike-through action. By highlighting the text, you ensure clarity in your edits or notes in the email. Next, look at the bottom toolbar or navigate to the Basic Text tab in the message window. This part of the interface contains various formatting options. It is vital to locate this area as it houses the tools you will need to apply the strike-through effect. Familiarizing yourself with the toolbar will also help with other formatting options for your emails, making your communication more effective and visually appealing. With your text highlighted, click the strike-through button, which is represented by an S in the font section of the toolbar. This action will immediately apply the strike-through effect to your selected text. You will notice the text appears with a line through it, indicating that it has been crossed out. This step matters because it visually communicates that the information is no longer valid or has been changed, which is particularly useful in professional correspondence. Once you've applied the strike-through, your changes are saved automatically. You can now finish composing your email or reply and send it off. This small formatting tweak enhances clarity and professionalism in your communications. Now you know how to utilize the strike-through feature effectively in Outlook, making your email messages clearer and more informative.